When you're juggling tasks, deadlines, and team members, keeping everything on track can feel like a Herculean feat. This is where scheduling tools step in, promising to bring order to the chaos. If you're on the hunt for a solution, you might have stumbled upon Smartsheet. But is Smartsheet just a spreadsheet program, or does it truly stand as a capable scheduling tool? As a project management expert, I can tell you that the answer is a resounding yes. While Smartsheet's familiar grid-based interface might initially lead you to think of it as simply a glorified spreadsheet, digging deeper reveals a robust platform packed with features that make it an incredibly effective scheduling tool. It goes far beyond basic data entry, offering a dynamic and collaborative environment for planning, executing, and tracking your projects. Let's break down why Smartsheet is a powerful ally in your scheduling endeavors. Visualizing your schedule with Gantt charts. One of the cornerstones of project scheduling is the Gantt chart, and Smartsheet excels in this area. With a few clicks, your task lists and their associated dates transform into a clear visual timeline. Each task is represented by a bar, the length of which indicates its duration. Dependencies between tasks are easily linked, so you can instantly see how delays in one area might impact others. This visual representation makes it incredibly easy to understand the project's overall timeline, identify critical paths, and track progress at a glance. Setting dependencies and managing critical paths. Effective scheduling isn't just about listing tasks. It's about understanding how they relate to each other. Smartsheet allows you to establish different types of dependencies between tasks: finish to start to start, finish to finish, and start to finish. This ensures that when one task's dates shift, dependent tasks automatically adjust, saving you countless hours of manual updates and preventing cascading delays. Furthermore, Smartsheet can highlight the critical path, the sequence of tasks that directly impacts the project's end date. This allows you to focus your attention on the most crucial activities and proactively manage potential bottlenecks. Assigning resources and tracking availability. Scheduling often involves allocating tasks to specific team members. Smartsheet provides excellent resource management capabilities. You can assign individuals or even entire departments to tasks and track their workload. This helps you ensure that resources are not overallocated and that the right people are assigned to the right tasks at the right time. By visualizing resource allocation, you can proactively identify potential conflicts and make necessary adjustments to keep your project on schedule. Setting milestones and tracking progress. Milestones are significant checkpoints in your project timeline. Smartsheet allows you to easily define and track milestones, providing a clear indication of key achievements. As tasks are completed, you can update their status, and Smartsheet visually reflects the overall project progress. This provides stakeholders with a clear understanding of where the project stands against the planned schedule. Collaboration and communication in real time. Scheduling is rarely a solitary activity. Smartsheet fosters collaboration by allowing multiple team members to access and update project schedules simultaneously. You can share your sheets with stakeholders, assign tasks directly, and have discussions within the platform using comments. This real-time collaboration ensures that everyone is on the same page and aware of any schedule changes or potential issues. Automated alerts and notifications can also be set up to keep team members informed of upcoming deadlines, task assignments, and changes to the schedule. Flexibility and customization for diverse needs. Projects come in all shapes and sizes, and a good scheduling tool needs to be flexible enough to adapt. Smartsheet offers a high degree of customization. You can create custom fields to track specific information relevant to your project, define different views of your schedule, and even set up automated workflows to streamline processes. This adaptability makes Smartsheet suitable for a wide range of industries and project types. Beyond basic scheduling, automation and integration. Smartsheet goes beyond basic scheduling by offering powerful automation capabilities. You can set up automated workflows to trigger actions based on specific criteria, such as sending reminders for upcoming deadlines or updating task statuses automatically. Furthermore, Smartsheet integrates seamlessly with other popular business tools, such as Microsoft Teams, Slack, and various calendar applications. This allows you to connect your scheduling activities with your existing workflows and enhance overall efficiency. Learning curve and accessibility. While Smartsheet offers a wealth of features, its familiar spreadsheet-like interface makes it relatively easy to learn, especially for those already comfortable with spreadsheet software. Its cloud-based nature ensures accessibility from anywhere with an internet connection, allowing team members to stay connected and updated regardless of their location.